Hey Cajon drummers, and welcome back to another Cajon tutorial. Today I'm going to show you 5 basic grooves that you can learn today. And this is going to go in the beginner Cajon playlist. So if you enjoy this lesson and you want to learn more, there will be a link at the end of the video. Okay, let's get started with groove number 1. And next up, groove number 2. Okay, let's move on to groove number 3. Alright, at this point, I think I'd like to add some more variation to the groove, but instead of packing all of that into 1 bar of music, we're going to lengthen it into 2 bars, and that'll help us space things out a little more nicely. So let's continue now, moving on to some 2-bar grooves. Here we go. Okay, and at this point, I'd love to repeat something that some great music teachers have said to me, which is, it's not about the notes that you play, but the space between them. That's what makes the groove. Okay, and as we get ready for groove number 5, I'd like to also mention that I think the other key to a great groove, especially on the Cajon, is dynamics. So keep in mind that those ghost notes should be extra soft and the accents extra loud. Create that contrast and your grooves will sound good. All right, let's get on to number 5. Okay, so, hey, if you still feel like learning some more, I'm going to link that playlist that I mentioned earlier, the beginner playlist. I'll put that on the screen, as well as some other videos that you might like. And if you're new to my channel and you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell if you'd like to get notifications when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.